Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video guys. So as you see in the title, today I'm going to be testing the camera of iPhone 12 mini. So I did a review on iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this time around I decided to change my phone, but I went for the iPhone 12 mini, which we call in French iPhone 12 mini. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video guys. So guys, I would love to ask one question. Maybe also you've been asking the same question: is iPhone 12 mini worthy? So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, today this video is not unboxing, but I'll be reviewing the camera of iPhone 12 mini, in French which you call iPhone 12 mini. So it comes with a small box. As you can see, it's really very small, and I went for purple color guys. So this is how the phone looks like. As you can see, it's really a small phone guys. How the phone looks like. Actually, it's very small, but I love it. I love the color and I went with the purple one. So as you can see, this is my screen cover picture for my kids when they used to be little. So yeah, it's really very nice. So guys, let me just reveal the camera to see the quality of the videos plus the pictures. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm filming, and this is how so far the quality of the camera looks like. So guys, let me just try to zoom for you guys and see how far I can go. And I don't see a very big difference between iPhone Pro Max. Actually, I feel like the cameras, they are the same. And the only thing what I love about this phone is portable, because I was fed up of huge and big phones. Check out the camera guys. And if you've been questioning yourself about this iPhone 12 mini, is it worth it? I guess it's a very nice phone, small, and the quality of the video is on top. So guys, I'll be mixing in some pictures, and let me know what you feel in the comment section below guys. And if you've been wondering if you can go for it, yes, I think you can go for it. Yeah. So guys, let me know what you think about the quality of the camera in the comment section below guys. Yeah.